Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. This week's project, we're going to build a couple of detail carving mallets. Stick around. So for the first mallet, I'm building it from curly maple and ebony with brass accents. And the second mallet, I'm building with red heart, ebony, and copper accents. So for this mallet, we're going to use a threaded rod as the backbone. It'll be plenty strong, and it'll make an easy way for us to be able to thread on and off the head of the mallet. Alright guys, so we're going to try something a little different. I'm actually going to chuck a piece of round stock into my tool holder, and I'm going to use this as if it was a wood turning lathe with a tool post. I've never tried this. Let's see if it works. Alright guys, so for making the grooves into the handle of the mallet, I'm going to actually put it on the milling machine and use the dividing head. So I've already got it set up right behind me. Let's get going. put the head of the finished mallet into the 3-jaw chuck, I use copper soft jaws to protect the finish. So I'm super happy with the way these came out. I'm entering it into the Builders Challenge, Mallet Build-Off Challenge, and hopefully it does well. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you want, throw us some love on Patreon, and it's much appreciated. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your week.